This video is basically a hodgepodge of like what's going on here, what we're doing, and mainly, it's kind of a work vlog, mainly asking what we should do on this 1989 GMT400 4x4 454 4-speed dually. Cool truck, super clean, 74,000 and change on it. Original miles with a 0 in front, the whole deal. It's about that. So what I'm wanting to know is what should I do with it? How should I make this thing look? Should we Rhino line it? Should we put the time and paint it with all the body work or what? Throw your thoughts in the thing below and let me know what you're thinking. And the rest is just kind of walking around. That part starts around the 1 minute and 50-second, 1 minute, 2 minute mark, right around there. One owner car guy, oneownercarguy.com. All kinds of stuff going on. Hey Vlad, say hi. Wave, hi.
Wave, hi.
Okay, got auction stuff that Rich picked up this morning. Actually got the green GMT400 out. What do we got in here? We got some cool. Oh, that fell out. All kinds of Disney videos, gloves. It's got a Rubbermaid mop station for $7. Beer keg, bunch of crackle glass, and all this weird jewelry that's pretty worthless, but I got it cheap. Got some rattan folding chairs. Beer keg, and the cart came with the beer keg. Very cool roll-up cart. I paid $9 for both. All that crackle glass, pretty valuable. Okay, that's the truck.
Money.
Got this cart with a beer keg for $9. I can use the cart. Got these rattan chairs, 6 of them, cheap. Rubbermaid, $9 or $6. It's like a $200, $150 mop bucket. Things that are happening would be the 89? What year is that, Rich?
89.
Yep, 89. 1 ton, 4x4, 454, dually, single cab, clean, super, 4-speed too, super clean. Need an overflow tank lid. That's odd. It was a fire rig. It is written fire right there. Needs tires, but I'll tell you what, it's only got 74,000 original miles, and that's with a 0 in front of it.
74664.
74664. 07.
Yeah, 07664.
And dash isn't all cracked up. They had a couple things mounted in here. It's got AC. Well, they had a few things mounted there, didn't they? And manual. It is a 4-speed too, huh? And it's got the low 1, 2, 3. This thing's tear the bark off the tree. Look at the seat. Not even any wear in the seat. Nice truck. We'll be coming up. The frame, clean. Think about it. Painting the frame and putting the Rhino line in the truck. Are you working?
Yes.
What are you doing?
I'm fixing our wheels, Dad.
You're wrenching the wheels?
No, fixing our wheels.
Okay. And so he's working away there at something. So I don't know what to do. I might just Rhino line the whole truck with a nice bright color. That would look good and it'd be easy to do. I mean, you could paint it, but they've already painted it. It was a gold, as you can see. So I don't know how I'll put this video up. I'm kind of asking for input. I mean, it's a 4-speed, 74,000 mile, 454, 4x. Actually, it's a 4x6, a 6x4, 1 ton. So, I don't know. Sell it like it is one way to do it. I might be able to find a flatbed or something. I don't think I'd want to put a regular bed with hubs on it. It would be cool like that because it's a neat truck. Other than that, lots of stuff going on around here. Put in your input in the comments below. Tell me what you think I should do to it. The Explorer, I just put the video up. I'm going out here to make a video of underneath of my blue Ford. I don't even know where it is. We're going to have to find it. But lots of cars coming up. Lots of things coming up on the channel for sale. And I don't really know much more to say. The Cadillac and the GMC Sierra are both coming up. Got the videos down on them. They're absolutely gorgeous cars. And there's my Ford I got to take pictures of. And that's that. I might just throw it in on this video because this stuff in Montana is pretty dang clean. And worrying about rust and stuff, I don't. especially when the stuff I buy I don't have it, but it's just clean stuff. So this is a truck that I got a guy interested in. Actually got 3 people interested in. And here's the frame and everything. You just got that patina on it. Even all this stuff is clean. You can see there's nothing flaking off or anything like that. It is an absolutely clean truck. You get one on the front here. And corners and everything. Here's the bottom of the floors. And you can see, not rusty. And the wheel wells, great shape. And we'll go around to the other side to be complete. Might as well show the back. Any truck is gonna get the patina, but this truck is clean. Clean, clean, clean. And let's show the under the cab. So, looks just like it should. And I had forgotten that we actually pulled the bumper out on this a little bit. It didn't make much of a difference, but it made a little bit of difference. It was kinked there. And that's the truck, man. I wanted to open the door. Look how clean this thing is. Oh yeah, it is falling just a little bit. Yeah, well, that's the deal. Other than that, it's a beautiful day out here. Now that's the kind of patina. I'm letting this thing season just right. And then we're gonna scuff it and matte finish it or something. Gonna try and get the Cadillac coming up. I'd like to get that sold. And look at that beautiful GMC. Other than that, also got these in. Seat covers. It's gonna be interesting to see how they look. The van actually will be coming up soon. I've said that a bit, but I got all my stuff stored in it. That blue pickup truck, the minute we can really buff, we're gonna get it done. And Excursion, I already uploaded the video. Gotta get it on eBay. This is the car. The seat covers are going in. I'm gonna show you from both sides, but the driver's side is the big problem. Passenger side actually looks pretty dang good. Driver's side, however, looks like you drove around razor blades taped to your legs. And there ain't no saving this, really. So, it's just these center pieces, actually, and this bolster. Well, and this one. It's got a bit of it. So, short of repairing, taking this off and replacing it, which I'm not going to do, this is our answer. Talk about a cool car. It's a 4.9 liter, too. It's not the North Star. So, it'll actually run for a while. Lots of cool cars coming in. I got to get something done on the Eagle. This one we got done, but now I need to... We're replacing the wheel bearings and something else I forgot. Then it'll be coming up. I got these on Amazon. I'll put a link below. They fit most cars and they had pretty good reviews. I liked the color. I would like if they were just tan, but they're not. They are. Okay, I have no clue what that is. It goes over the middle console maybe. Oh, cool. These look like this. So, and they are airbag ready. We'll see how this turns out. In the end, I guess what I got was this liner that goes down the middle. You got little pockets here, but it's not a full seat cover. Not what I was expecting. I mean, it's not that it looks bad. I just wanted to get this covered up too. Whatever. I would have ordered new ones, but look, see this leather shifter knob. There's a couple things the guy can do to it. Kid's up here in front of my Hummer doing something. He probably thinks he's working on it. Yep, he's got a wrench. He's going around wrenching on anything he can. Don't wrench on my Bentley, please. Please don't wrench on the Bentley. Oh, you're fine. He's just looking for shit to wrench on. What?
Can't believe I got all that adhesive off there. This looks good. Starting fluid.
That's right. He's just looking for something that wrench fits on, dude.
He told me he was fixing the back wheel.
Not much else to say. Hope you guys enjoy your weekend. I'm going to throw up some quick videos and these videos in the next 4 or 5 days. So keep an eye on the channel. Lots of stuff coming up. And I don't know what else to say, but goodbye.